Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the environment right. Install Python and create or activate a virtual environment, then pip install pandas and open Pixel so Excel support exists. Once done, launch Jupyter Lab or Notebook in the project folder so relative paths work. Make sure your Excel is closed in Excel to avoid file locks. If it's on a network drive, copy locally. Now open a new notebook cell and import pandas as PD to begin reading data immediately. You will now read the workbook and validate structure. Use df equals PD, read Excel your file. XLSX sheet name equals sheet1 to pull the sheet into a data frame. If columns must be specific types, pass dtype equals call, SDR or parse dates equals date call to control parsing. Once loaded, inspect with df, head, df, info, and df, describe, to see row counts, nulls, and types. If headers are misplaced, rerun with header equals 1, or use skip route. To finalize, export edits using df. To Excel updated. XLSX, index equals false, engine equals open pixel, or save subsets for downstream use. If you need repeated updates, consider reading into chunks or switching to CSV for speed, then convert back. Make sure to close Excel before overriding to avoid permission errors. If you encounter parsing problems, inspect problematic rows with error bad lines or try engine equals XLRD for older XLS files, and if imports hang.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.